Sir, how are you? I just want to contribute kunyaya iri kutaurwa namama vanga vachitaura pamusoro pokuti Chamisa wakapiwa 5 million naMnangagwa kuti amurege atonge ndosaka muchina Chamisa akanyarara. Chamisa akanyarara nemhaka yekuti akapiwa mari. Mai vaya vanga vachitaura kudaro hanzi people they don't understand politics. It seems that Ivo is a lecturer of politics. She knows politics than any other people. But Ivo, they just want also to convince people into accepting what she is saying, to be honest, to be true, than any other people who can, back within this platform. To me, that is a lie. There's nothing like that. And Chamisa kanodisa mari, this and that. That's not it. One thing we need to understand is that that man is highly educated and is intelligent. Two, akashanda mu government, in the unity government, akawana mari dzake. On top of it, he is a lawyer by profession. Do you remember kuti kune vanhu vakapiwa mari during that unity government, kusanganisira vana Biti and some other vanga vari mucabinet, vakapiwa mari ma700, vamwe vachipiwa ma500,000 US mari the mechanism, and Chamisa rejected that money. He didn't take anything. And how much was it by that time if we are to put it to this year, to this time? How much will it be? Let not soil other people. We take advantage of their life, their silence. Then we create something that will suit and shake the mass and believe that this is true because of his silence. Chamisa is right to be silent because of a number of things. He is a man of not trusting people now. So maybe he's drafting he's drafting another way. Because he's sick and tired of people who are robbing the mass. Where did the Chamisa rob the mass? But vanangonzora, vana Biti, vana Washman Mube, vana Jobo Skala, vana Komichi, vana Kumalo, all those people. You see, they robbed the mass. We had faith and confidence with those people, but only to drag us into mud. Now they're trying to provoke Chamisa to speak what is in his mind, to excavate what he is hidden, so that they know his next step. She is soiling Chamisa. On the other hand, he is saying ZANU-PF has got all the people, they are going to die at any time. Death is God's penalty. It is it's not of age. Any person can die, regardless you are young or regardless you are old. One can be old and be a good leader and lead the country smartly, and the country can benefit from his leadership regardless of age. I'm not saying and ZANU-PF, what he's saying is of old cadre, which is a liar. ZANU-PF is comprised of youth. It is comprised of old people. Regardless, all the old people are going to be swept away by death. Doesn't necessarily mean that the end of the ZANU-PF, it will be still standing, because that the youth, the children of those cadre that within that party. Again, MDC, it has got also war veterans who are supporting it because of its good system, its good propaganda, that it is aiming to share things equally. And on the other end, the way she's speaking is like she's promoting or campaigning for Comrade Geza. I am a CCC member. I am a member of Chamisa. I'm not trying to talk this way. I mean to persuade the people or whatever. But let's talk truth as it is. Let's not soil our politicians. Comrade Geza, I do support him because his propaganda, his thing, his ideologies are good. If he is going to live for it, Comrade Nyaya, I support him. If he's going to live for his words, if he's going to implement his work, that's handsome. That's excellent. That's what we want. But the thing, let's not campaigning. You see, by soiling other people. What bad did Chamisa did? From all along, only today to hear her talking of this 500 million. Can you tell me that such a deal can be exposed? That's how can you say expose such a deal with the mass of Zimbabwe to come to understand that Chamisa has been given 5 million to sell the right of the people. And here Auxilia Mnangagwa Buda Pachena Otaura Kuti Chamisa takampa 5 million. Can that be possible? Some of the things people we need to cogitate. We need to think widely. Let's not think deeply over these issues because they affect the country. We are being pained because we are away. We are not home. We want to be home. But just because of the situation there are some people who are supporting ill things because they've got relatives who are within the cabinet who are gaining through sucking other people's blood. That's bullshit. We don't want that. Wherever you are, know that this person who is speaking right now, who is in pain, is Martin Shumba. That's my name. I'm from Zishaban, Maziwa there. Even if you go and ask Chief Maziwa, they know me, who I am. I'm being pained by people who are talking lies, who want to gain through campaigning for other people, through speaking shit of other people. That's not it. Let it be people of good repute. Let it talk smart politics. That's my words. Mama Rutaura, Mama Wakuru Antoine Vana, she must be pained for the future of her kids. Not that he wants to eat. We want everyone in Zimbabwe to benefit from the ruling government. Any government which is come to take over, as long as it is going to fulfill the needs of the people, we are going to support it. We need it. If Geza is going to implement these things, we're going to uplift him. You are a good father. You fight for the right of your people. We embrace him. We welcome him. If it is whoever going to take party, as long as he's going to recognize the mercy, that's what we want. That's what we want. Don't soil Chamisa's name. No, it's not good. Leave that man alone. He's drafting his plan, and we know that he's drafting his plan, and he will never put down his people. He fought for these people. And that system of saying, the all vets, people of Zimbabwe, let me tell you, live to know this. There are people who were born 1965 going down, even 1970s. They are all veterans. I am also a war vet. For your own information, because I made those soldiers cross Mukuvi River, holding the tails of the beast. I was a young boy, and we put them in the middle of our beast, and we were enclosing them with our beast, and we crossed where they were soldiers. I think they messed themselves, those people, when they saw the soldiers, but they were not seen by those soldiers. We hid them. So I fought, but people, they don't know. And if I'm to tell the names of those people, if they're alive, they can cry, for I know my history. And our parents, they were giving them blankets, clothes, food. A war veteran is not the only person who holds the gun, but everyone who contributed in the struggle is a war vet. That's why Chamisa is also saying, I'm also a war veteran, because I was fighting behind my mother's back. They were taking her to base. He didn't sleep all those time because it was a hard time. And he's a war vet also because of his parents. They fought for the struggle.